Have you ever wondered how a simple hand gesture could explain complex principles of electromagnetism? Well, today we unlock the mystery of the left-hand rule of electricity. The left-hand rule, also known as Fleming's left-hand rule, is a simple and effective method to remember the relationship between the direction of the magnetic field, the direction of the current or the flow of electrons, and the direction of the force in an electric motor. To understand it, raise your left hand and extend your thumb, index finger, and middle finger so they are at right angles to each other. This forms a sort of 3D coordinate system. The thumb represents the force or motion, the index finger, the magnetic field, and the middle finger, the current. Let's dive a bit deeper into each component. First, the thumb. When you extend your thumb, it represents the direction of the force or motion. This is the direction in which a conductor moves when it is placed inside a magnetic field. Next, the index finger. Extending the index finger indicates the direction of the magnetic field. The magnetic field always moves from the north to the south pole. Finally, the middle finger. Your middle finger shows the direction of current. Remember, in Fleming's left-hand rule, the direction of the current is considered from positive to negative. Now, imagine a situation where you know the direction of the current and the magnetic field. You can use the left-hand rule to predict the direction of the force. Simply align your hands so that your index finger points in the direction of the field and your middle finger in the direction of the current. Your thumb will then point in the direction of the force or motion. In summary, Fleming's left-hand rule is a clever way to remember the relationship between the three fundamental aspects of electromagnetism: force, magnetic field, and current. By aligning your thumb, index, and middle finger at right angles, you can easily predict the direction of one component if you know the direction of the other two. This rule is not just a theoretical concept. It is a fundamental principle used in the design and operation of many electrical and electronic devices. So the next time you use an electronic gadget, remember the left-hand rule and marvel at the wonders of science and technology. Remember, the thumb stands for force or motion, the index finger for the magnetic field, and the middle finger for current. Each finger represents a different component, and together they form the left-hand rule of electricity. Isn't it fascinating how a simple hand gesture can help us understand such a complex principle? That's the beauty of science, making the complex simple. So keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the answer could be right in the palm of your hand, or in this case, at the tips of your fingers.